1 o'clock, 1 heure. Minuit, 1 heure. 2 o'clock, 2 heures. 3 o'clock, 3 heures. 4 o'clock, 4 heures. 5 heures. 6 heures. 7 heures. 8 heures. 9 heures. 10 heures. 11 heures. Midi. That's midday, noon, midi. So you start with minuit, midi. Both of them are 12. One is midnight. Minuit is midnight. Midi is noon. All right? Oh, it's down there. You can see it. Good. Moving along. Numbers. Une, un, 2, deux. I'll stop at 20. 3, 4, 5. Just repeat after me. 6, 7, 7, okay, 7. 8, 8. 9, 9. 10, 10. 11, 11. 12, 12. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14. 14, 14. 15, 15. 15, 15. 16, 16. 16, 16. 17, 17. 17, 17, okay. 18 is 18. 18, 18. 19, 19. 19, 19. 20 is 20. All right? 20 is 20. Good. Those of you who were trying to get this PowerPoint, it's on the, I just added it in the chat, just where you just ask the question, just wait for it. If you have a computer, hopefully you can download this PowerPoint. This is the same one you've had last week. Hopefully you're able to download it. The event is 20. Let's move along. Orderly, which one that come first, second, third. Premier is first, premier. Deuxième, second, troisième, third, quatrième. As you can see, I'm counting. Premier is different from un or une. Deuxième is deux. Remember, 2 is deux. Deuxième. Troisième, third. Quatrième, fourth. Cinquième, yem. Not cinquième, but you have to pronounce the yem. Cinquième. Sixième. Septième. Huitième. Neuvième. Dixième. Onzième. Douzième. 12. Treizième. Quatorzième. Quinzième. Seizième. 17e. 18e. 19e. 20e. Days. Sunday is dimanche. Dimanche. Monday, lundi. Oh, no, not le. No, it's lundi. You see un in between? Un, le, un, di. Lundi. Mardi. Mercredi. Mercredi. Jeudi. Jeudi. Oh, not jeudi. Jeudi. Vendredi. Vendredi. Samedi. Samedi. And of course, Sunday is dimanche. We're getting serious now. Bang. Oh, look at that. Last few weeks, we went through this. We didn't really stop. This week, we're going to stop. Biagi, are you online? Unmute yourself if you're online. Biagi. Are you there? She's not there. All right, and I will have to mute everyone myself. Good, thank you. You guys did good too, because most of you were paying attention and you muted yourself. Good, yeah, so here we are. We have the I. This is the way you can construct your own sentences. So the hard part, we've went through it. If you were able to say the alphabet and you can read in Creole, that was the hardest part. Now we're changing gear. Pronom personnel, personal pronouns. In Creole, when I say I in English, I say moi. When you want a contracted sound, you say is a short for moi. Why? Just like in English, I am, I'm. You are, you're. Except we don't use the apostrophe. It does not, we don't use it. We just leave a space. Okay? We're gonna go there. Bang. Where is it? Bang. Good. In Creole, we don't really conjugate verbs. We do not do that. I will use the whiteboard real quick to give you example. And I might need someone to help me down here, but it's okay. Whiteboard right here. It's shared. Good. I undo. Erase, okay. Text. Okay, right here. I, moi. You, who. He, she, it, li. There's no rocket science there. Okay, who. He, she, it, li. Everything. You're talking about a male or female or an object, an animal. Everything is li. Li, 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 li. All right, keep that in mind. Plural. If we go with the plural, we have we, new, you, guess what? New, they, yo. That's it. That's it. That's all you need. Nothing different. Now, when do you use new for we? When do you use new for you in plural? Let's find out when we do that. Okay, when do we do that? They, nous, we, you. Oh no, okay. They. Okay. Let's say to have. We're going to talk about the verb to have. Let's build our dictionary here. You have to have. In Creole, gagner is to have. However, the gagner verb is to have. Gagner also can be a noun, which is to win. Okay? Gagner is a champion. It's a to win. So just keep that in mind. You might see a lot of similar words, just like in English. Yeah, a word can have many meaning. One word have different meanings. Okay, right. Is that right? Right? Or the opposite of left, or right the opposite of wrong. Right has the same pronunciation, same word, but two different meanings. Right? Good. Gagner could be the same way also. Gagner, if there's a noun, there's a verb. This is the verb. To have is gagner. When I have money. Moi, Moi gagne. If I can type, that would be good, right? Moi gagne. Money is spelled K-O-B. Cob. Or another way, l'argent. So money and cob and l'argent is a synonym. So let's use whichever you want. L'argent, not la John. Forget l'argent. Not Jean, Jean, l'argent. I'll take it off, but cob will be easier. Cob, hub, hub. Okay, cob. Moi gagner l'argent. You have money, right? You have money. Ou gagner cob. What am I missing? Cob. Ou gagner cob. She has, he has, it has money. Guess what, Lee? It does not change. Just like when you go in English, you say see, she has. Nope, does not change. Stays the same. Lee gagne cob. Let me know if that makes sense to you all so far, because it might look confusing. Let's go to plural. Let me know if I misspell it. Pluriel. Pluriel. All right. Okay, let's see. That's very good. Plural, we have money. Is that how you conjugate? You have money. They, do we say they have or they has? They have money. Right. That tells you my kindergarten in the United States. I wasn't paying attention. Nous, gain, everything remains the same. Let me just paste everything. Copy. V, nous gain cob, nous gain cob, nous gain cob. Look at that. Easy. Now, how do we know? How do we make the difference between all these? Let me give them good spaces so we can see. Good. Meanwhile, in the chat room, if you have few questions, or slow down, you're welcome to do so, because I'm looking for more interaction with this. Try not to ask, well, take too much time, but yeah, you can do so. And if I'm going too fast, too slow, let me know. Tell me, oh, come on, Odson, we got it, move ahead. All right, so let me multiply là, so we can get it here. Moi, ou, li, nous, yo. 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 So, moi, gagne cob. I have money. Ou gagne cob. That means you have money. Li gagne cob. Or he or she, it has money. Does the drawer has money? Yes. Li gagne cob. It has money. The drawer has money. Oui, li gagne cob. All right. So if I'm talking about nous, how do we say no in plural? As you can see in plural, when they say they, let me continue. Li get money, li get l'argent, li get cob, it has money. Plural now. Us, our, nous, us, everybody in this room here, we, nous gen kob, nous gen kob, nous gen kob. Or, I saw you all, y'all, nous gen kob, nous gen kob. See, if you're pointing at these people that's in front of you, nous gen kob, I'm addressing the crowd. Nous gen kob, you all have money, you pay to get in here. Nous gen kob, I'm addressing the students. Nous gen computer, we have a computer, you have a computer. You have a device that can see the Zoom, all right? You have internet connection. Nous gen, I can say we have connections, nous gen connection, and nous gen connection. This new is dependent on who you're pointing. Get used to it, and it will make sense. Yes, a lot of time it could be confusing. It depends on the conversation. Just it's gonna come up. Just like when I say right, if I put the word right by itself, more likely you don't know if it's the opposite of wrong or if it's the opposite of left. But it's all gonna be based on the conversation or where it is. So when we talk about nous, it's going to be based on the conversation we're having. Oh, nous. Nous-mêmes, nous, or nous, right? I'll give more example later on. And you, if we're talking about me and you, let's talk about the kids because we had a class for the kids earlier, all right? So I'm talking to you now, who's looking at me, nous gen computer, nous gen internet. You have a computer. The kids earlier, they had a computer. They had the lessons. You get computer. You get lesson yo. We're talking about them, many of them. You get. And if one person is here, the third person is Lee. We're talking about him. Oh, Lee. Right? Good. Let's jump further down. No, yo, Lee. Moi ou Lee, nous, yo. 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 I don't think if you can see me. Yo. All right? We're done with that part. Good. We're not done because it will take forever to go. Let's say, oh, come on. 10 minutes? No, there's no way. Bergson, let's see. Should we have another class after this?
Yes.
Okay, let me try to schedule something. Meanwhile, let me play the video. Let me double check my phone. 10 minutes. Come on, blah, volume. Oh. Diaji, are you there? Nope, she is. Okay, good. Let's see. Excuse me for the time because we are 8:30. All right, we're running out of time. I'm scheduling a class right now. I'm going to play a video for you. But this thing wants me to update. No.
Odson, I just want to tell everyone again, please check your email. I emailed you guys the PowerPoint presentation. So it should be in your emails by now.
Good, thank you. It's going to be the same PowerPoint if you received it last week. It's going to be the same. The only one that might be updated is the one for this week. I'm going to send it out to. And I think I'll add a lot of things in this one because since next week's going to be our last class, I'll boost it up, especially with words. And once you know how to construct your sentences, and all you need to do is just build your vocabulary, words. Oh, what is this? Orange? Oh, it's an orange. Not the color orange, but it's an orange, the fruit. Then you can tell the difference. I want to eat a color orange. No, I want to eat a fruit orange, an orange fruit. All right? So you know that. Your vocabulary will hook you up really good. All right. Good. Let's see. Play the video, Creole alphabet. Get familiar with it. And I'm scheduling a class. And
Ça, c'est alphabet créole là. A, un, ba, cha, da, e, n, fa, ga, ha, i, ja, ka, la, ma, na, ang, o, on, ou, on, pa, ra, sa, ta, oui, va, wa, ya, za. A en bas, cha, ta et en, baga, ha, i, jakalama, na, en, o, on, ou, on, pa, na, sa, ta, oui, ba, wa, ya, za, ba, cha, da, fa, ba, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. A en bas, cha, ta et en, baga, ha, i, jakalama, na, en, o, on, ou, on, pa, la, sa, ta, oui, ba, wa, ya, za. Dans le vent, dans le matin, bon, zing, ou, oui. A en bas, cha, ta et en, baga, ha, i, jakalama, na, en, o, on, ou, on, pa, la, sa, ta, oui, ba, wa, ya, za. Chouette, chat, tiens, oui, zui, on, si, ou, oui. A en bas, cha, ta et en, baga, ha, i, jakalama, na, en, o, on, ou, on, pa, la, sa, ta, oui, ba, wa, ya, za. Dans la nation, dans le hey, yo, wa, oui, tout de suite, avec na, bon machine.
All right, I think we're done. Thank you. Use the same code that you used to log in, and we will get you to this new class extension. So now I can pause it, and we can enjoy this class with no issue. So that all you know, I need to maybe invite you all to this one because if you look under how much do you know about Haitian Creole? Those two groups I just posted on in the chat. If you wanna go to Facebook, you can I'll add you in there. I do have a group where people share their knowledge about Creole, and you all can be part of it. Creole pour sauver Haïti. And the next one is how much do you know about Haitian Creole? Those are the two Facebook pages. Just go there and I'll add you in there. because people usually ask questions and, you know, about, as if you still do Facebook. All right, let me move it over here. Conjugate. So this is right now what's happening now. Okay, we have less than 2 minutes. I'm just gonna keep reminding everyone, use the same code, same ID, and same password to log back in to this class. Oh, yeah, if you have any questions, let's use the 2 minutes. Any questions, how you want the next session to go? I'll open the floor now for everyone. And instead of teaching you something, go ahead. That's 2 minutes. There's not really, as soon as I start, I won't stop. The numbers, yes. That's good. Why not? We all can recite those phrases together. Numbers. We have less than 1 minute. Let's go to the numbers. Let's count. Share. Oh, sorry. Creole. Yeah. It's Creole. Okay. Right, we're gonna do this. Good, conversational, good. Let's share. Few seconds remaining. I'm going to the numbers and we're gonna come back right back here. That's no problem. Numbers, right here. Okay, we can see numbers. 1 minute remaining. And why not playing a little song? What's the music? I love music. Magenta, no? All right, bye-bye everyone. I'll see you in a few seconds. You're gonna hear voice. Get used to the Haitian conversation.
Monsieur, dame, la société, même Maurice Sixto, li pat la fait criver. Li vin pote choses et gens entendus ban nous. Bagay li tende, moun li tende, li vin kase mos.